Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about patrol aircraft, latest drones added to Pakistan Navy fleet, maritime patrol aircraft and unmanned aerial systems which would enhance the operational capability of the air arm of the Pakistan Navy were inducted into the force, said a statement on Saturday. The spokesman for the Navy said that the induction ceremony of the state-of-the-art maritime patrol aircraft and tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in the Pakistan Navy fleet was held at Karachi. Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral Zafar Mahmood Abbasi graced the occasion as chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, the naval chief highlighted the role of the Pakistan Navy in safeguarding the maritime frontiers and ensuring the safety of sea lines of communication. He said the induction of Miranized ATR aircraft with weapons and sensors would substantially enhance the operational capabilities of the Navy's fleet air arm. Moreover, the induction of another ATR in the cargo, para-drop role would provide added flexibility to the Special Forces operations. The chief guest further added that the induction of Luna-ing unmanned aerial vehicles in the fleet's air arm would further augment the Navy's intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities in the maritime domain, especially in the creeks areas and along the coastal belt. Admiral Abbasi urged the crew of the newly inducted ATRs and AMP, unmanned aerial vehicles to make optimum utilization of these platforms in order to contribute effectively towards the combat potential of the Pakistan Navy fleet. Appreciating the detection of an Indian submarine by Pakistan Navy aircraft in the post-Pulwama standoff, the naval chief said that, "I am glad that PN Aviation Fleet proved its mastery and made the whole nation proud." He advised the aviators to keep the same spirit and be prepared for any eventuality that might rise anytime. He also highlighted that the Pakistan Navy's developmental plans included acquisition of unmanned combat aerial vehicles in support of maritime operations, too. The ceremony was attended by high-ranking officials, serving and retired aviators of the Pakistan Navy and sister services and representatives of the relevant government departments. Listen. The induction of the Miranized ATR aircraft equipped with weapons and sensors would substantially enhance the operational capabilities of the Pakistan Navy fleet's air arm. This was stated by Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Zafar Mahmood Abbasi, while addressing a ceremony held on Saturday for the induction of the state-of-the-art maritime patrol aircraft, MPA, and tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, into the Pakistan Navy fleet. Admiral Abbasi, who graced the occasion as chief guest, highlighted Pakistan Navy's role in safeguarding the maritime frontiers and ensuring safety of sea lines of communication. He said that induction of another ATR into the cargo, para-drop role would provide added flexibility to the Special Forces operations. The chief guest said that induction of Luna-ing UAVs into the fleet's air arm would augment Pakistan Navy's intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities in maritime domain, especially in creek areas and along the coastal belt. He urged the crew of the newly inducted ATRs and UAVs to make optimum use of these platforms in order to contribute effectively to the combat potential of the PN's fleet. While appreciating the detection of the Indian submarine by the PN aircraft in the post-Pulwama standoff, the admiral said he was glad that the PN's aviation fleet had proved its mastery and made the nation proud. He advised the aviators to keep the same spirit and be prepared for any eventuality that may arise anytime. He said Pakistan Navy's developmental plans included the acquisition of unmanned combat aerial vehicles in support of maritime operations. The ceremony was attended by high-ranking officials, serving and retired aviators of the Pakistan Navy and sister services and representatives of the government departments concerned. Thanks for watching Pakistan Current Affairs.
Yeah.